Good morning, it is Disney Day 2 and
Disney Day
3. Am I alright? A bit tired. It's Disney Day 3 and we have just put our luggage into the storage.
For money!
Although, we're a little bit fuming, so here's our rant. If you want to skip the rant, just skip on a little bit. But
just do a couple of taps.
It's quite a good bit of information because you're going to get an annual pass, isn't it? So basically, last year we paid €260 maybe for our annual pass, €270, something like that, for our annual pass, where we got free like luggage hold, etc, etc. This year we paid €299 for the same annual pass, and now they've taken away the free luggage thing, so we've just paid €18 to put our stuff for like 3 hours. Fuming. Just really annoying. And they're like, yeah, we changed it in April, and it's like, well, like,
but the lady like understood our frustration. She was really nice.
Yeah, like
and
no, no hate on the lady, but it was just irritating because you pay more and you're getting less, you know?
It's just feeling, like, what's that like?
Yeah, I don't really know. But nevertheless, we're not going to let everyone all day, so we're going to go into the studios today, and we're going to try our best to get on Collis coaster, because apparently it opened up today again, so we're going to go on that because we haven't been on it yet, and it's like one of our faves, so we're going to do that. And then we've got a few hours really, so I'm going to vlog as much as I can, because ideally I'd like this to be a whole vlog in itself. Huh?
My internet's not working, I'll do it in a minute.
That's fine. Ideally I'd like to make this one whole vlog because it'd be nice to have one for each day. So I'm just going to film as much as I can, so I hope you guys like it. We've got 3 hours to cram in as much amazingness as possible, so here we go. Bye then.
Bye.
So we're going into the studios now, so the lighting's about to get really, really rubbish, but we're now in the park, finally, and we're literally going to head straight to Collis Coaster and just get this ride done. It's one of my absolute faves, but it's always over in like 30 seconds, but it's worth it because I love it. But yeah, we're in the studios now. The decoration's really nice. Hi! They've got all the Christmas lights up and stuff, so it looks really, really good. But yeah. Always filming through here, the lighting just goes really bad, like, yeah, like half an hour that. But it's fine, you're gonna get all that content today. It's just gonna be me walking around, but yeah. It's actually quite nice weather today as well, it's not like cold, is it?
Yeah, no, it's not
like, it's doable.
I wish this was the weather on like a full day, but you know.
It's fine, it's totally fine. We're gonna go straight to Collis Coaster and be as happy as can be. And I feel like that's where everybody's going. It's gonna be a big queue. At least we've got snacks. So we've just come off Collis Coaster, and the wait time was probably like an hour. It's now gone up to 85 minutes, so like went at a good time. But that was really, really fun. I just find that it's like over really quickly, and I wish it was longer, but it was really, really good anyway. But now we're going to go and head into the main park, because we want to see if we can get the limited edition pins early. We got ourselves in the queue to go and get them, but we realised that we're not even here, so we don't really know what we did that. But we're going to just ask if we can go in early rather than wait, because otherwise we're going to miss it because we've got to get our plane. So yeah, it's very cold again today, but at least it's not raining. I'm very happy about that. It is a cute little jacket.
Nice.
Okay, welcome. Yeah, we're going to go through the studios now. So the lighting's going to go funny, so I'm going to go.
That boy.
What did he say?
Oh my god, I felt her.
Oh my god. I'm a fish, because my tripod, that's what it is, so it's so official. Anyway, we're gonna go now, bye. So, we have made it into the main park now. I'm sorry if the lighting's a bit rubbish. We're walking through the tunnels to the side, not really description. But now we're off to, fingers crossed, hopefully get the limited edition pins that came out today. Like I said, we have got a position in the queue, but the first position that we've got is at 11:30, and our train's at 11:10, so we're not going to be here. So we're just going to go and see if we can. We've got basically an hour until our train leaves, so we don't have much time, which is making me really sad. But it is what it is. I've had a lovely time anyway, but yeah, Holly's just some fun at me vlogging as well, so it's quite fun. But yeah, I've had a really lovely time. It's been very, very cold, so if you're coming to Disney in the November, December, January time of year, bring layers, but like bring thermals. because it's freezing. But yeah, I'm about to go through another dark tunnel now, so you're not going to be able to see me. But yeah, just thought I'd catch you guys up. So we just went to the pin trading thing and we weren't allowed to get them, which is sad, but we did get the princess pin.
Yeah.
So that was fine. But yeah, kind of irritating. Like I get it though, like it's a system thing, but you know when you're just like, please just let us in.
Yeah.
Like, look here. But never mind. But now we're just gonna slowly head back to get our luggage because it's like 10:25 and our train is in 50 minutes. So we're gonna look through the shops because I just can't not. And then we've got to go get our luggage, and then we've got to get on the train, and then we've got to go to the airport, and then we've got to get on a plane, and then we're gonna be home. Yeah, I don't really know why I'm still filming, to be honest. I feel like I'm just trying to get loads of footage in, do you know what I mean? But we're kind of already going home, which is really sad. But yeah. It's a nice day though, it's just a bit cold still, but at least it's not raining, which is a good sign, because I don't really want to fly in the rain, because last time on the way here, the turbulence was ridiculous. So we are leaving the park. You can see the castle behind me, and yeah, it's really sad, and this is probably going to go on to yesterday's vlog because I didn't really film a lot today. We didn't really have the time. Like by the time we like we'd gotten up and packed everything, managed to shut Holly's suitcase, checked our luggage in and all that sort of stuff. Like we didn't really have a lot of time for the day. I think we had about 3 hours, which just isn't enough Disney time. So yeah, but we're off now. I'm gonna pop you guys in my suitcase, so I am gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys did enjoy the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed coming to Disney with me and Holly again. It won't be the last time. I'm sure we'll be back within the next few months. So if you guys like these videos, don't forget to subscribe. And I'm just gonna run up and chase Holly so you can say goodbye to my vlog. Say goodbye.